In this session, let us learn about Java file handling. File handling is an important part of any application. Java has several methods to creating, reading, updating and deleting files. The file class from the Java IO package allows us to work with these files. To use the file class, create an object of the class and specify the file name or directory name. See, it is the syntax. Import the Java IO file, import the file class, file my object, new file, file name text, specify the file name. If you do not know what a package is, read our Java package tutorial. The file class has many useful methods for creating and getting information about files. For example, see here, method type description. Can read, Boolean, test whether the file is readable or not. Can write method, Boolean, test whether the file is writable or not. Create new file method, Boolean, create any empty file. Delete method, Boolean, deletes a file. Exist method, bullet, tests whether the file exists. Get name, string, returns the name of the file. Get absolute path, string, returns the absolute path name of the file. Length method, long, returns the size of the file in bytes. List method, string, returns any array of files in the directory. mkDirector method, Boolean, creates a directory. You learn how to create, write and read and delete files in the next chapters. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 48, Java file handling. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java create or write files. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.